Navigating through our iPhones comes second nature to most, especially to me as I've used iPhones since the iPhone 4, but for most iPhone users, me included, there are several underrated features that are probably going unused. From the secret hack that makes your speakers louder, learning how to turn your spacebar into a trackpad, and locating the hidden search bar that solves calculations and also tracks planes, these are some of the hidden hacks that you never knew your iPhone could do. Well, probably. My name is Stu and this is Stu's Tech Time, where we do tech reviews, tips for your tech and streaming advice. If that sounds like a channel you'd like, then consider subscribing and clicking that bell. Now this video definitely falls into the tips for your tech category, so if you're ready, let's begin. Quick access to recently viewed pages. Now this tip is when you're using an internet app like Safari or Google Chrome and you want to view pages that were several back. Now what you would normally do is just click the back button several times until you find it, or the other way you would do it is you would look in your history, which you would press this little book button here, and then it's either that one or that. There we go, and the history. Now what if I said it was so much simpler? All you have to do is long press on the back button and there we go, your full history for that tab comes up just like that, and then you just click on the page that you want. Next tip is to make your speakers louder. Now what you do is you go into your settings and then you go into your music app. Then we're searching for EQ and you select late night. Now by default it's usually bass booster or it can be off, but if you select late night it will make your speakers just that little bit louder. Turn your spacebar into a trackpad. Now this tip I use every day and it has completely changed the way I use my iPhone. If in messages and you're clicking out a message and you're saying the message will be, and then you realize, wait a minute, I want to go back to the beginning of in between message. So normally you would long press and you would kind of move this cursor about, but your fingers in the way. Well, what if I said there was a much easier way to do that? Long press on the space bar and then you can literally just scroll anywhere that you wish. I use that every day now. How about solving sums without using your calculator? Normally to get into your calculator you would swipe down and then you would take on your calculator that way. But what if you just use the search button? And there we go, your calculation is on the screen straight away. Right, what about tracking your flight without actually launching an app? Now I know we're all in lockdown, but when lockdown is lifted, we will be able to free to travel, hopefully one day. Now, if you're going to be booking a flight and you want to check your flight, don't need to go into an app, don't have to go into the internet. All you have to do is this. Type in your flight number. And there we go, all your information is there on screen. So simple. How about setting a time to turn off your music automatically? Well, you can do that with the clock app. All you do is swipe down and you select the timer app there. You set the timer for wherever you want. When timer ends, you just click on that. At the very bottom, you've got stop playing. So then when that timer comes off, then it will stop playing. Now it works with YouTube, it works with music as well, so I'll just demonstrate that right now. So if I just make that 30 seconds. So when the timer goes down, it will stop playing. And there we go. How cool is that? How about hiding sensitive photos? Now you select a photo in your library and you click this little arrow down here for more options. Scroll down and click on hide. The photo will be hidden. Now if you want to find it, You go into your albums and you scroll down to the bottom, and then you'll see all your hidden photographs, and they're hidden. How about decreasing the size of your display? Now, if your phone is too big for your hands and you want to use it with one hand, then you can make the screen a lot smaller. All you have to do is go into settings and search for reachability. And select it. Click on reachability. And all you have to do is reach down very bottom of your screen, and there we go. It makes it smaller. Now you can also decrease the size of your keyboard, and all you do is select the emoji, keep your finger on it, and then you can either make it go to the left, keep your finger on it, or the right, keep your finger on the emoji button, put it back to normal. And the next tip is to charge your phone faster. Now if you're rushing, you need to charge your phone, move your phone into flight mode for an extra power saving boost. So simply put it into flight mode and then charge, and it will charge that much faster. And the next tip involves notes. So maybe you want to lock a note out so nobody will see it. So you just go into your notes, and it's just a case of long pressing. Options will come up, and then it's just a case of locking the note, and then you can put in a password as well. So the next time you go into your note, you have to put in the password. So I hope you find those tips useful. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay frosty, stay safe. Bye bye now.